Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how do you add the home loan related details in the ITR filing. Home loan or the housing loan is one of the popular ways in which people try to save the taxes. And there are two different components to it, as you know. Okay, so one is the repayment towards the principal amount of the housing loan, and the second one is the interest part of the housing loan. Okay, so everyone will have the EMIs paying towards the housing loan, and you would be showing the principal amount as well as the interest amount in the uh, for saving the taxes. Okay, so let's see how do you enter these details. Okay, so in this video we will be mainly concentrating on the interest component. Okay, the principal amount is part of the section 80C, and there is already a video how do you show the section 80C in the deductions part. So you could refer to that video for the how do you enter the details for the principal amount. Okay, so yeah, so you can log into the portal incometax.gov.in /IEC/FO portal, log in to the portal, this portal using your PAN number, and then you would have already selected the ITR1 as the filing option for you. Okay, and then you will be reaching the return summary. Okay, so then you have entered or the checked the personal information. After you confirm the personal information, you will find that the gross total income row or the section has been enabled for editing. Okay, once you click on the gross total income, you will see a screen where you could have the different income sources. Okay, so you have the income from the salary, then the income from the house property, and income from other sources. All this information you can enter in the gross income section. Okay, so in this video, I have taken the example where you have already entered the income from salary. So this you can just note down after the standard deduction how much is the income chargeable under the head salaries here. So this is coming up to 3,57,000 odd. Okay, now we can see how do you enter the interest part. Okay, so you have seen there is a section called as income from house property. Then click on the add edit details for the breakup. Okay, so once you click on this, there is details of the housing loan you can give here. Okay, so I'm taking the example here where it's a self-occupied property. Okay, so in this case, yeah, you don't have to show the rent as an income for you. Okay, so for the housing property, you have selected the type of house property as self-occupied, and then the next field which you need to enter is the interest payable on the borrowed capital. So you have taken the housing loan, and in the financial year 2022 to 2023, how much is the interest you have paid towards the interest? So that amount you can give here. So here I have given the amount as 1 lakh. Okay, so this is a just an example. So for the easier calculation, so I have just entered this as an amount. Okay, so now in the field 3, you would find income chargeable under the head house property is coming as minus 1 lakh. Okay, so here you have given the interest payment is 1 lakh. So this is appearing as a income as minus. Okay, so please note that maximum loss from house property that can be set off in computing income of this year is 2 lakh. So there is a warning which is appearing here. So so once you have entered the interest, so it is appearing as minus 1 lakh for you as income chargeable under the head income house property. Okay, so you can click on the add button. Okay, so now you are taken back to the gross salary or gross income page. Okay, so here you can see the income under the salary is 3,57,832, and the income from house property is coming as minus 1 lakh, and income from other sources is coming as 106. Okay, so just don't too much bother about the income from other sources. This is an income from the savings bank account. So in the old tax regime, the interest up to 10,000 is not taxable, but yeah, I'm not going into the details of that. So just see that the total income or gross income from all the three headers. Okay, so income from salary, income from house property, and the income from the savings bank account. All these three will be added up. Okay, so then the amount gross total income for this person is 2,58,738. Okay, now you can just confirm this amount. Okay, and this will be considered as the net amount for which that you need to pay the taxes. Okay, so this is how the housing loan interest will be added in the ITR1 form. And as I mentioned, for the principal amount, you need to enter those amount in the section 80C, that is part of the deductions. Okay, so you can just confirm.